In this video, we'll explore how to stop a Docker container gracefully. We'll be using the docker stop command to achieve this. Let's understand the docker stop command. The syntax is docker stop followed by options, and then the container name or ID. You can specify multiple containers to stop at once. The options are enclosed within square brackets. Here are some basic examples of how to use the docker stop command. To stop a container by its name, simply type docker stop, followed by the container name, such as my container. Alternatively, you can stop a container by its ID. Use the command docker stop followed by the container ID, such as 1 Alpha 2 Bravo 3 Charlie 4 Delta 5 Echo 6 Foxtrot. You can stop multiple containers at the same time. To do this, write docker stop followed by the names or IDs of the containers you want to stop, separated by spaces. For example, docker stop web app database Redis. Also, you can stop all the running containers. Use the command docker stop, then a $, then open parenthesis, then docker psq, then close parenthesis. The docker stop command includes a timeout option. You can specify the amount of time Docker will wait for a container to shut down gracefully before forcibly terminating it. To set a custom timeout, use the T flag followed by the number of seconds. For example, docker stop to 30 my container sets a timeout of 30 seconds. If you do not specify a timeout, Docker uses a default value of 10 seconds. Here's a comparison between a graceful stop and a forceful stop. A graceful stop, achieved with docker stop container, sends a signal to the container, allowing it to shut down in an orderly fashion. On the other hand, a forceful stop, achieved with docker kill container, immediately terminates the container without giving it a chance to clean up or save its state. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.